Hey up everyone, welcome back to a quick channel update. I hope you're all well. Apologies for the lack of uploads and streams, I'm getting there, as you know. I recently got the steering wheel and stuff, so I'm slowly getting better at that. I'm not the best driver, I'll be honest, but once I get good at that, I'll start uploading some good content from my laptop. And maybe do in terms of streaming, I might do a bit of COD soon. But the main thing I want to tell you guys about, if any of you do want to start a YouTube gaming channel during this time where we're all stuck at home and thought you want to try something different, I have literally just created this class on Skillshare. The link is going to be down below. Skillshare is basically a place for teachers. I wouldn't consider myself a teacher, but the link below will give you some free access to that video on how to start, all the basics to how to start a YouTube gaming channel. So if you guys could even just sign up for me, start it, follow me, it would mean a lot. I'm just trying to grow my Skillshare. I'm only at 9 followers at the moment, guys. 4 students on the class. Come on, help me out, please, guys. Even if one of you did it, it would mean a lot. So anyway, enough of that. If you guys do want to check that out, the links to that will be down below. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, and it is free. Stop, cancel it, watch it for 2 seconds. It would mean a lot. And that's about it from me, guys. Hope you're all staying safe. And I need to shave my goatee. It's looking... I don't think I like it. I'm going back to full beard. But anyway, take care, guys. I will be lots of False 9 content, that's for sure. That's coming. I got one coming out tonight. And anyway, guys, take care. I'll see you all soon. Peace.